You ever found yourself watching someone move with such effortless rhythm, such pure joy, that you just can't help but smile? That's the magic of shuffle dancing. It's more than just a series of steps. It's a vibrant conversation between the body and the beat. A celebration of freedom expressed through movement. There's something truly captivating about the way a shuffle dancer glides across the floor. Each footwork pattern a testament to dedication and passion. It's a dance that invites you to let go, to let go, to let go, to let go.